Hi alle sammen. Hello everyone. Welcome to Learn Norwegian with a Norwegian language school. Today we will discuss how to present yourself in Norwegian. Whether you're planning to visit Norway, relocate, or you're just fascinated by the Norwegian culture and language, it is crucial to learn the basic introductions. In our discussion today, we will offer a step-by-step guide on how to present yourself in Norwegian. Basic greetings. The first step in presenting yourself in Norwegian is to know the basic greetings. The most common are god dag, god dag, god dag, good day, hei, 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 hello, god morgen, god morgen, god morgen, good morning, god kveld, god kveld, god kveld, good evening. Introducing your name. To introduce yourself in Norwegian, you say, Jeg heter your name. Jeg heter your name. Jeg heter your name, which means my name is your name. For instance, if your name is Anna, you say, Jeg heter Anna. Jeg heter Anna. Jeg heter Anna. Sharing where you're from. To share where you come from, you say, Jeg kommer fra place. Jeg kommer fra place. Jeg kommer fra place, which means I am from place. For example, if you're from the USA, you would say Jeg kommer fra USA. Jeg kommer fra USA. Jeg kommer fra USA. Telling your age. To state your age, you say Jeg er age år gammel. Jeg er age år gammel. Jeg er age år gammel, which translates to I am age years old. For instance, if you're 25 years old, you'd say Jeg er 25 år gammel. Jeg er 25 år gammel. Jeg er 25 år gammel. Sharing your occupation. To tell people what you do for a living, you can say Jeg er en your occupation. Jeg er en your occupation. Jeg er en your occupation. For example, if you're a teacher, you would say Jeg er en lærer. Jeg er en lærer. Jeg er en lærer. If you're a student, you can say Jeg er en student. Jeg er en student. Jeg er en student. Talking about your family. Norwegians value family, and it's always a nice touch to mention them. You could say Jeg har number of siblings, søsken. Jeg har number of siblings, søsken. Jeg har number of siblings, søsken. Which means I have number of siblings, siblings. If you're married, you can say Jeg er gift. Jeg er gift. Jeg er gift, which means I am married. Discussing your interests. Lastly, you may want to talk about your interests or hobbies. This can be expressed by saying Jeg liker å activity. Jeg liker å activity. Jeg liker å activity, which means I like to activity. For example, if you enjoy hiking, you would say Jeg liker å gå på tur. Jeg liker å gå på tur. Jeg liker å gå på tur. When you're done introducing yourself, it's polite to invite the other person to introduce themselves as well. You can say Hva med deg? Hva med deg? Hva med deg? Which means what about you? Remember, language learning requires practice and patience. Don't be discouraged if you make mistakes. Always strive to improve your pronunciation. In addition to taking Norwegian classes, it might also be beneficial to immerse yourself in the language by listening to Norwegian music or watching Norwegian TV shows and movies. Learning Norwegian will not only help you introduce yourself and communicate more effectively, but it will also provide you with a deeper understanding of the rich Norwegian culture and heritage. It's an endeavor well worth undertaking. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no nlsnorwegian.no.